know what hurts more than rejection later? Silence. So I remember staring at my laptop at 2 a.m. in Hyderabad, and I applied to 50 jobs, but throughout the week. But do you know how many replies I got? Zero. So that was me 3 years ago. And not even a no. It's just nothing. Like, I don't know what is wrong, what is going on. You're just being ghosted because you're invisible. So I'll tell you what you see, like right now, a beautiful resume, a creative resume, and you think it shows your personality. But this is what the machine sees. Garbage. I know it's a harsh term, but this is what it sees. So 75 of the resumes that are there are filtered out by applicant tracking system called ATS. And before a human even reads your name, if you use tablets or any kind of tablet charts, graphs, or any wrong keyword, you are automatically in the no pillar. So I spent 6 months figuring out this machine, and I lost. Like, I can't put all the fancy things and it will just automatically work. But I understood one thing. Then I stopped trying to be creative in that way, and I start to be relevant and readable. So I built this. So the Anti-ATS format. It's ugly, it's boring, and it has zero graphics. But it works. So the moment I switched to this, the silence stopped. I start getting calls. And you don't need to suffer for 6 months like I did. I package this exact template plus a cold email script that you can send out to recruiters. It's priced as the price of a coffee, to be honest. Like, this coffee lasts around, like the one that I have in my tumbler, lasts around 20 minutes. The template saves you months of depression and the anxiety of not getting calls. So stop being invisible. The link is in description. And you can also check out our SaaS product, AI Career Engine. That is the whole ecosystem created to fight off any career doubts that you have, from AI interviews to everything. So you can check it out. And I'll see you in the next one.